Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to approximate the square root of numbers. So we have here square root of 34, square root of 150, square root of 210, and square root of 398. And so let's start on the square root of 34. So in order to find the approximate value of the square root of 34, we need a reference number where we can base the approximate value of the square root of 34. So this means that we're looking for the square root of the perfect square closest to the square root of 34. That's square root of 36, right? Since square root of 36 is 6. And the other reference value, reference number, is 25, square root of 25, which is 5. So here, if you notice, square root of 25 and square root of 36 are the upper and lower reference value for square root of 34. So here in this case, square root of 36 is closer to square root of 34 than the square root of 25 to square root of 34. So we'll be picking this square root of 36 with equivalent value of 6. Alright. So we have here square root of 34. That is equal to, we'll be using this number as base number. So we have 6 plus the difference of these numbers right here, 34 and 36. So we have 34 minus 36 divided by the base number, 6, times 2. That's always times 2. Simplify the fraction. So we have 6 plus 34 minus 36, that's minus 2 or negative 2, divided by 6 times 2. Cancel 2, so we have 6 minus, since this is minus right here, so minus 1 over 6. So simplify this further. So we have 6 times 6 is 36, minus 1 is 35, divided by 6. So this is calculated the same way as multiplying the first term on the left by 6 over 6, minus 1 over 6. So now here we have common denominator of 6. So we have 6 times 6 is 36. So that is 36 minus 1. We have common denominator of 6. So we ended up with 36 minus 1. So that's 35 divided by 6. Alright? So here we have the approximate value of the square root of 34. 35 over 6. That is 5.83. And this is 3 is a repeating number, so 5.83. And to check for the exact value of the square root of 34 by using our calculator, so we have 5.830951.895. So this value is from the calculator as a comparison for the exact value of the square root of 34 versus the approximate value of the square root of 34. Alright, how about the square root of 150? So here we need another base number to calculate our approximate value of the square root of 150. So the nearest perfect square closest to 150 is 144, right? Since 144, square root of 144 is 12. So if we have 144, that's the square root of, is 12. And the other reference value would be 13, right? So if we square 13, what's the square of 13? That will be 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. So now square root of 150 is in between square root of 144 and square root of 169. Which of these reference numbers is closer to the square root of 150? Square root of 144 or square root of 169? So square root of 144 is closer to 150, right? So we'll be using this value, 12. Alright, so the square root of 150 then is equal to 12 plus the difference between these two numbers. So we have 150 minus 144 divided by this base number 12 and multiply by 2. It's always multiply by 2. So simplify. So this is now 12 plus 150 minus 144. That's 6. Divided by 12 times 2. So here 6 over 12, that's 2. So we ended up with 12 plus 2 times 2 is 4. So that'll be 1 over 4. And simplify this. So we have 12 times 4 is 48 plus 1 is 49. Divided by 4. So square root of 150 is equal to 12.25. And if we get the exact value of square root of 150 by using our calculator, so we have 12.24 74 48 71. So this is the value from the calculator. So if you notice, 2 decimal places, that's 0.25. In here, by using a calculator, we have 0.24 and 7. So that's really close. So how about the square root of 210? So we have 2 reference numbers from this over here. So we have 15 and 14, right? So 15, the square of 15 is 225. So if we have that, 225, the square root of that is 15. And the other reference number is 14. 14 squared is 196, right? 196. The square root of 196 is 14. So here, square root of 225 and square root of 196. Which of these is closer to a square root of 210? Is it 225 or 196? Here's 15, right? 210 versus 225, that's 15. And 196 compared to 210, that's 14. So the square root of 196 is closer to square root of 210 than the square root of 225. So we'll be using this value. So 14. So we have here square root of 210 equals 14 plus the difference of these two numbers, 210 minus 196, all divided by base value is 14 and always multiplied by 2. Simplify. So we have 14 plus 210 minus 196, that's 14, right? So 14 all over 14 times 2. So here we can cancel 14. So we have 14 plus 1/2. What we have left is on the denominator, we have just 2. So that's 1/2. So here, 14 times 2 is 28 plus 1 is 29 divided by 2. So we have here the square root of 210. So square root of 210 is equal to 29 over 2 equals 14.5 or 14.50. And the value of the square root of 210 by using our calculator, 10 decimal places, we have 14.49137675. So 14.5 is really close to 14.49. That's for this for 10 decimal places. All right. So how about this square root of 398? So what are the reference numbers? So we have square root of 400, right? That's 20. So that is square root of 400, that's 20. And the other number is 19, right? Square of 19, that is 361. So square root of 361 is 19. So which of these numbers is closer to the square root of 398? 400 or 361? So this is closer, square root of 400. So we're going to use this base number 20. So here now, square root of 398 equals 20 plus the difference of these two numbers being compared. So we have 398 minus 400. all divided by base number, that's 20, and then always times 2. So simplify, so we have 20 plus 398 minus 400, that's minus 2, divided by 2 times 20. So here cancel 2, so we have 20. Since it's minus, so I have minus 1 over 20. So here simplify the fraction. So we have 20 times 20, that's 400, minus 1 is 399, all divided by 20. So that's square root of 398. So we have the square root of 398 is equal to 19.95. And by using our calculator, the square root of 398 is 19.94, 99, 37, 34. Now if you notice, there's 19.95, here 19.94, and there's 9 right there. So that's really close to 0.95. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever I've uploaded new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you on the next video. Bye.